Hello everybody, I'm back again. So today we are going to finish these little booklets. Move that out of the way. I did start, well, this one I had already showed what I had done in the front. Just added this little piece of collage, which I went ahead and did that to this one. But I did add a piece of fabric to the spine. I thought it looked cute, and then I just added that. I was thinking to add it in a button, but I don't know. I think I like it like that. I noticed nature theme, it's more plain than like vintage. Vintage is like all over the place compared to this. So I kind of like it like this. So I just glued this piece on. I just grabbed a piece of fabric and then added some lace and just went crazy with my sewing machine. As you can see, here's another little itty bitty piece that I am going to add there. And this one I went ahead and added the fabric, and I'm going to glue this little piece there. So I think the front for now I'm going to leave it alone. I did want to add some stamping and add one of these little label thingies, but because these frames, this image is bigger, I don't have a lot of space. And I'm not sure I like, well, maybe, I don't know. Let me see, hold on. I'm still thinking. And then I have the big ones, I only have the black ones left. It doesn't really have too much. And I don't know about the black one. No. See, and I have a lot of these tiny ones. But I have this one. Let me see how it would look if I was and then this one here, I don't know, it's like yes and no. What do you guys think, guys? If I should glue that down or not. I know I do want to add this little piece. Oh, which I struggled a little bit because it was kind of fat when I was trying to sew it in the machine. But I guess it's like a little snippet. So I'm going to pop that there because I know I do want that there. Like I do and I don't. But I do like it in the sense that, whatever this little journal is used for, you can write the little title there or the date. You know what? I'm going to put it down. Let's do it. But yeah, I started, I was sewing some pockets, some of the pockets that my hubby helped me make yesterday. And I'm like, okay, I need to jump back in and finish this. And so I started playing with it, but I'm like, wait a minute, we need to turn on the camera. Oops. Move that out of the way before I drop it. Okay, so that one, I'm going to call it done. This one, I'm going to leave it alone. I was thinking of stamping, but I don't know, I kind of like the way it looks like that. So I may leave that one alone. This one I did glue this already, and I don't think I want to add anything to it. I like that. That's one of my faves. Oh, and I haven't even added a word to those. But this one, oh, wait a minute. This is the one that we need to add that little thingy to the top. I did not put fabric on this one because of this. And I glued that one, so it cannot be moved. Let me see how it would look. No, let's leave it alone. So 2 are with, 2 are without. But this little thingy, I don't know, I like it. Just some scrunched up little fabric. I just think it looks cute. Oh, I hope you guys can't hear my kids. They're in the front running around in their bikes playing. And I can hear my son gets excited. But they're having fun. Whoops. Right there. That one's sticking out. Take that off. Check it out, guys. I don't have a big mess today. At least not yet. Okay. So I'm happy with that. So now, look, I had a little when I was trying to see how it would look, and I didn't make it. Glue this back in here. Guess it could still be used. I need to get some more of these. But okay, so now what we need to do is the tags. I did went ahead and added a tag to all of them. This one is the only one I cut it, you know, a little shorter because I want that frame to show. And then on the front, I did add this piece of ephemera. And that just pops in there. And I'm trying to say that's from the old design shop. I have to look. Okay, got glue there. So anyway, so we need to decorate the pockets and then we can call it done. I mean, not the pockets, the tags. Well, actually this pocket. And we could call it done. So let's pull out the tags and work on that. I think they're coming out so cute. Move these over here. So now let's see, what are we going to do with these? We definitely need to start doing some collaging again. Let me bring my little tray closer. So let's see. I think it went like that. Where is my ruler? So let's cut some pieces. I'm gonna say there. But I hope you all are doing fine. I'm doing good, just here working on my stuff. That's a short one. Let's leave that one last. So if I put that there, see. Let's see how this would look. Get some of this paper, my favorite paper. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry guys. I'm fine all day, but as soon as I start filming, of course, now I'm sneezing. But that's okay, as long as I don't get a panic or an anxiety attack like last time. I can handle the sneezing. Which, by the way, guys, I have some news. So, I don't know if that's gonna fit. So, Miss Patty on YouTube. Well, I think she's on, I don't know, I didn't check when her, what's her YouTube, but I think she might be under Patty. She has invited me to join her scrapbook, or craft, group to go visit. So, I'm excited. I got nervous though. It's like I'm a mess. I got a little nervous when I was reading it. I'm like, yes, I want to do it. But at the same time, I'm like, oh, I'm freaking out already. You know, I've never, even though it was hard for me when I was starting to make videos, it was getting all freaked out. Still, it was nerve-wracking. And now, of course, I started getting nervous again. But oh my god, it sounds fun. I mean, I could just imagine just hanging out and craft, you know, not be by myself. I mean, having, you know, someone to talk to. I thought that was so cool. Oh my god, I forgot to get one of these. Or let me see something. Let me see if I can find a glue stick in here real quick. But yeah, guys, I'm excited. So I emailed her and oh my god, if it happens, I hope I don't freak out on them. Oh my goodness, that would be so funny if I did. Well, maybe not for me, huh? Okay, no glue stick in here. Where did I put them at? I know I have some. Don't you hate that? I should have checked that first. Okay, we'll use glue. We'll use glue. And I didn't plan this, guys, so hopefully we're happy with the results. So yeah, I was thinking, okay, that one's too small. Let me get another page. I just want it pretty much on like half of the tag. Let's see if I can do it with the ruler. But yeah, I will keep you guys posted on that. Oh, that one didn't do a good job. I think it's because of the glue. It's wet. But that's okay, we have scissors. Oh my goodness. There, I'm getting hungry. I think I should have eaten before I started this video. But I wasn't hungry till now. You guys got me hungry. But yeah, the best part of that email that I got was, she's funny, she said that she's gonna have a lot of coffee and creamer there. I'm like, oh. She had me at hello right there when she said that. I'm like, oh, I'm there. You have coffee? I'm there. I love coffee, guys. I'm a coffee addict. I'm like, yes and no. I do like this there. let's see, let's see. This is so relaxing when I sit here and do this collaging stuff. It's relaxing. I just enjoy. I play my YouTube, watch all you wonderful ladies out there, and it's so relaxing. I want to cover that. But what am I going to put on the top? Now I'm not sure I'm liking this one. Nope, nope, nope. It's not convincing me. It's not convincing me. I do like that there, but I feel like I need something there. Let's see. Maybe a different color one. Let me see. I think that one's too small. Let me cut another little piece. Ruler. I don't know why I keep putting this ruler away. Well, we're just going to put it down. The good thing is, it's collaging. If we don't like it, we could always cover it. So that's one thing you guys should keep in mind when you guys are doing this. To those beginners especially. If you don't like the way it turns out, that's fine. You can always cover it up. So, we're good. A little bit there. Okay, I like it. I'm just going to do a light, just pretty much on the edges. Like I said, for nature, I don't think, I mean, I don't think it looks bad either, but I don't know, I just feel like light color would be better now. I could add an image, or I was thinking of looking and see how one of these stickers will look. Oh, not that one. See, that would look cute right there. I like that. It goes with the colors. Oh, that one looks cute too. That looks cute. Okay, we're gonna struggle. Even the mushrooms look cute. Oh my goodness. I got them all mixed up. I had them all nicely organized, and thanks to my son, now I have to go through all of them and find. Little man wanted my little drawer thing, so what my boy wants, my boy gets. No, not all the time. No, okay. Okay, we didn't like any of these, so let's put that away. So now what are we going to do? Should we go for the mushrooms? Or should we go Oh my goodness. Well, you know what? I pulled out 4. We need 4 tags, so hey, I won't have to pick. But where's the little one? Well, this one? Oh yes. Okay, we'll leave that one for that one, since that one's shorter. So on this one, that one, so hard to choose. Okay. Okay, for this one we're choosing this one, but we have a problem. I need to find the glue stick because I don't trust this sticker. Let me go in my drawer over here real quick. Let me see. I hate when I throw them into places and then I can't remember. Nope. Nope. It only happens because I'm in the camera, I'm telling you. What about over here? Okay, I see one here. Let's just hope it has some inside. Yeah, it's got enough. I don't know what I did to the baggie. I was gifted a lot of them and I had purchased some too, but I don't know where I shoved them at. Sorry guys. So before, let me use this. I need oh my god, this is gonna be the hard part. Figuring out, not figuring out, getting lucky. Come on, work with me. That's the one thing I don't like about stickers. I want to be here forever. What if I bend it a little bit? Oh, that worked. Okay. Gotta keep that in mind. Oh, wait. Trash over here this time. So... So yeah, I don't trust the glue on the sticker. I did place it in one of my journals, and then I noticed it was picking up from some of the edges, so that's not cool. We don't want that. What a little more up, because I see there. I want to sew around it and I don't want to go over the sticker. But I like that. And do we want to add a word? Let me see. There's this one. I've been cutting stickers with my other scissors, and I have to clean them now. And then I got these little cheapy ones, so I figured I'll use these just for the stickers and not use my good ones for fussy cutting. Okay, that's going to be a problem unless I use the black one. Okay, yeah, I like it. Just put some glue. Make sure this puppy doesn't come loose. Okay. And then, there it is. We're gonna attempt to punch a hole in the center. I can never, that's okay. I can never get it to where, like in the center. The back, I don't think I'm going to collage, but I'll probably put a little stamp maybe? Stamp on, I don't know, something. Oops. I think that once the sewing is in there, it's going to stand out a lot more, but I like that. Okay. As far as stamping goes, I don't know, I kind of like it the way it is, so I'm going to leave it alone for now. So let's pop this one right here. And let's do this little baby one. Look at my nails, guys. Oh my god, I just noticed my hands are dirty. My nails are dirty, I mean. Okay. Throw that little piece over there. Ah, now it's going to be on my head. I shouldn't have even looked at my hands. What if I add a piece like this and maybe like a book page piece? Let's see. All we can do is screw up, right? No, we're not going to screw up. We're going to follow our gut. Oops. And this one, hold on, hold your horses. Let's see. Which I'm glad you guys all are following me on this little project. Oh, I'm so used to the trash being on that side, but today I moved it on this side because I was working on that side. And I keep going the opposite. Okay. Okay, yes, I'm good. Okay, scissors. Hands are everywhere. Okay. Oh, how cute. See, once you put the sticker, it's just like, oh my God. I'm a mess, I'm a mess. Okay, so let's get that sticker in there. Oh God, here we go again. Let's see. Oh, wait. This one is wanting to cooperate. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oops. Make sure I get the edges. Throw this over there. And we are going to pop that one there. How cute. Oh my goodness. And then once you sew around it, it's going to just pop out even more. Now, let's keep our fingers crossed that we get it in the center. That's okay. Looks good. I think it looks better than this one. Okay, so that one will go there. And this one will go back here. Come on, come on, come on, move forward. Whoops. Which I need to make some more of these. Get those at the dollar store and then just distress them. And I think that's my last sheet. I need to distress more. I like to do a bunch at a time because I hate doing them often. Okay, I like that. How cute. Okay, so now we should put a word. Well, we have the story one here. Let's add it because we can't waste it. And I'll put it on this side because I have lines to guide me. Oh man. There. Okay, that still looks crooked to me. My goodness. Not even the lines can help Patty. Oh my God, isn't it gonna let me pick it up nowhere? Okay, let's pretend it's straight, but it's a little crooked. Guys, it's a little bit off. Okay, so we'll toss that one to the side and let's pretend it's perfect. And so now let's do this one. So, what do I want to do on this one? I really wanted to use this yellow paper, but I don't know what happened towards the end. I didn't care for it. But it'll go good with the mushrooms. You know what? Let's do it. Wait, do we want this piece better? Because this one has a butterfly, but then the mushrooms are going to cover it. That's not cool. I think this is my best bet. then on this side, so let's see. Scissors. And whoops. I think I need a little bit right there. Okay, so now, why do I always get bugs in here? My goodness. And I hate those little gnat things. Whoops, that stuck to my hand. But yeah, I hate them. Right. Let's see. I like that. Okay, here goes again the little circle punch thingy. Oops. There. Oh wait, no, we still need it for the sticker. That's cute. Yeah, so I bend it over a little bit and it comes loose. Bring this book back here, or whatever's left of that book. Whoops. This one's going to go a little bit to the side because I want that little leaf to show. How cute, guys. Look at that. Look at a little scrap. Pop it over there. And now we need a word. Let's see, what do we have here? What's next? It is Heartfelt. You can hear my son coughing. Got a little bit of a cough, poor thing. Darn it. I dropped it. You think on the bottom, or should we put it somewhere back here? No, I don't know. I like the words to be on the bottom. Well, most of the time. And then yesterday when I finished the 2 videos, I realized I never showed you guys my journal that I said I was going to give you a sneak peek. I'm like, I forgot. Okay, I like that. So yeah, I got to remember to do it today. So now we got this one. Oops. So maybe a little more, just to make sure. And we need to put something on the top. Get these pieces of book page out of the way. What if? I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, I'm going to just put it on the top area. Sure no glue is in there. Gotta clean those scissors. I got glue on them. Oh, I missed a little piece here. And then, this is my my other flower, which thinking maybe I should have put some of that green. I liked the way that green looked. Well, not green, but do I have any? I'm gonna have to get a new sheet. I like the way this color made it stand out. What if I added to it? Hold on, let's see. Let's see what happens. All we can do is mess up. But it's not. Oh my goodness. Think, Patty, think, think, think. Do we let it go or do we change it? I don't have a bigger piece, darn it. Nope. I'm gonna have to go get one. What if I just added a small piece to it? Forget it, forget it, forget it. It's like I like it and I don't, you know? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to have to stop this video real quick, guys. I'll be right back.